Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look right here that I created with this month's October BOXYCHARM box. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. But before you do so, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notifications bell down below so you guys can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media, that will link down below. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to be using the products that came in my October BOXYCHARM box. And the first thing I'm going to be using is this Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So it looks like it comes with two masks. I already cleaned my face. So I'm going to be taking the charcoal mask. I'm just going to be applying on my forehead, avoiding my eyebrows. Applying some on my nose. So now I'm going to be applying the mask. Securing it in the back of my ears, and then securing this back of my ears again, and I'm setting my timer for 15 minutes. So now I'm just going to peel off the mask, removing it from my ears. So I applied my foundation and everything else off camera because I just wanted to jump straight into the video. So then the next thing that I'm going to take from the BOXYCHARM box is the palette that it came with. And it's by Pure Cosmetics, the Midnight Masquerade palette. And it looks like this. So since this palette does not have anything for me to use as my transition color, I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar palette that came in last month's BOXYCHARM box, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Hide and Seek. I'm going to apply it as my transition color. Going into the Masquerade palette, I'm going to take Sneak Peek. I'm going to be taking the shade Mask Off. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Exposed. Next, I'm going to go back in with the shade Sneak Peek, and I'm just going to be applying this color back into the outer corner. And I'm also going to be applying Sneak Peek to the bottom lash line. And I'm going to be applying Twilight as my brow bone highlight. I'm going to be taking my Mellow Cosmetics Precise Eyeliner to do my eyeliner. Next, I'm going to take the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Next to contour, I'm just going to take my Makeup Geek Porcelain Princess Face Palette. I'm going to be taking the shade right here, which is Green. Next for blush, I'm going to go back in with the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette, and I'm taking this shade right here, which is Hidden Secret, for blush. And then I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Enhancement. And for highlight, I'm going to take the shade Twilight. To set everything, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Powder. Last but not least, I'm going to take the Kat Von D lipstick that came in this month's BOXYCHARM box, and it's in the shade Lolita. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And if you like this video, please thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!